overview of spiral belt cleaning idler, a cutting-edge solution for maintaining the cleanness and efficiency of your conveyor system. The spiral belt cleaning idler is designed to automatically clean the conveyor belt, removing excess material, buildup and preventing carryback. Its innovative design ensures continuous contact with the belt, effectively dislodging and removing debris. As the belt moves, the spiral idler rotates, swiping away materials that could cause wear and tear or affect the belt performance. This cleaning action helps to extend the lifespan of your belt and reduces maintenance or downtime. With our spiral belt cleaning idler, you can ensure a cleaner, more efficient conveyor systems. Its durable construction and low maintenance requirements make it an ideal choice for various industries from mining to manufacturing. For more information on our spiral belt cleaning idler and other conveyor solution, contact us today. Enhance your operation with our reliable and innovative products. Thank you for watching.